Welcome. Today we're going to talk about one of the newer platforms, but it's already hit into one of my top five. In fact, it came in at number 4, and I'm excited to tell you about this platform. But before we talk about that, I want to give you a chance. I always got to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. All right, let's get to it and do it. And this is the back office of TradeXpat. TradeXpat, I introduced it to you early or sometime last week. I don't remember when it was. Sometime last week, and it has quickly entered into my top 5. And so what I'm going to talk about is making that withdrawal. This is the first time I get a chance to make a withdrawal from this particular platform. I'm going to show you some things I didn't know about this back office, and we're going to talk about this platform in a little more depth. But before I do that, I always got to say, not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always do your own due diligence. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into that back office, and let me show you something that I kind of stumbled upon myself. When you look in a normal back office, you'll see all your numbers here, there, and everywhere. But when I first logged in, I see this trade total balance, and I see this here. I'm like, why would that be? Why would that kind of be hidden? And so I just took it for granted that it was. But then I clicked on this, and boom, right there it is. So once you log in, you have to click on the eye or open up the eye to tell you your total balance. And once you do that, you can also go down here and see your total trades. Now, of course, I have 0 there now, but if you want to see your trades, here are the ones that have been completed. So you can always do that. You can have you can click on new trade. You can always do that as well. And so that's one of those good things about this particular platform. So all I want to do now is go back. So I did want to show you that, and you can see once I kind of revealed my balance, now you can see it down here at the bottom as well. And guess what? Now we're going to try. Well, we're going to draw the balance, and the balance is 106.09, and I am going to do 106 even. And we are going to use tether. Click on withdraw. OT has been sent to my email address, so I am going to get that. This is another security feature that I really like about this platform. So now I'm going to go to my email, and I'm going to get that OTP, baby. I'm going to copy that, bring it back over here, and withdraw. Withdrawal placed successfully, waiting for approval. So this is an instant, and we'll see how fast it is. And believe me, if I don't get it, you won't see this video. I'll just update it. Now, one of the things you definitely want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that you click on the link in the description and comments of this video and join my Telegram group. Yes, you will definitely want to join my Telegram group, because there I give you the latest updated information, and whether a platform is paying or not paying, you definitely want to be part of that. Just go to SeanTelegram.com and join the Telegram group there. All right, so we're waiting on that payment. We'll see if I get it before the end of this broadcast, and if I don't, I definitely will let you know. Now let's talk about some of the plans that are on the account. All right, and here are the plans on the account. So to be able for you to really see it a lot better, what I want to do is what I encourage you to do is just go back here, and this way you don't have to try to remember. Just click on trade. Don't worry, you're not going to execute trade. So the minimum is $100 to $2,999 on this one. What you're going to get is you're going to get that 1.5 to 3% per day for that trade. And so it varies because the trading varies. So you may get 1.5, you may get 3, but you're going to get, from what they say, you're going to get something within that range. Within that range. And so that is at the first level. That is the forex and commodities. Now the shares and volatility, it starts at 3% and goes up to 4%. So we click on there. That's $3,000 to $9,999. So that is that particular plan. And the dark pool, high tech mining plan, that's also at 4% to 5.5%. Now these are daily. These are based on daily trades and daily amounts. Once we click on that, that is 10,000 to unlimited, or 10,000 and above, to start trading with that one and get that return per day. All right, and before we go and look at anything else, as you see, about a minute ago, I did get the 106. So yes, it is paying. So since it's paying, it's staying. Now, what I want to do is show you how to redeposit that money back into the account. All right, now we're back in the back office. Now that I've gotten that money out, hey, I just want to see if I get it now. I want to go ahead and make that deposit and put it back in. We're going to go right back down here to make it, well, we can't trade yet. So with this particular platform, you have to fund it first and then you can trade. So what you want to do, we want to do deposit, new deposit. We're going to click there. Or I'm sure you could have gotten it through this. So trade balance is 9 cents. So if I wanted to make a deposit, click there, and both of those will get you to the same area. So the amount that I want to put in is 100, and I want to pay that with USD TRC 20, baby. All right, and now it's going to give me my wallet, and we always want to check TVYJV7. Okay, or I guess I could have clicked copy. Let's see if it just clicking copy would have worked. It says it's been copied. Sometimes you gotta just do things the easy way. All right, so now we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go back over to my wallet, and I'm just gonna send that back in. All right, and now you can see my trading balance is $100.09. So the deposit has been approved. Took about 5 minutes, so it was very quick with that happen. So now when you see the balance here, now I can go ahead and initiate a trade, which is super easy. All I want to do is go down here and click on trade and enter the amount. Activate trading. It says trade posted successfully, and just that it says, and now you can see here it's showing that trade is in progress, and that trade will be in, and it shows you when it begins and when it ends. So it ends within a day, and I'll be ready to withdraw again. All right, and here you see the total in trade is $100, and let's go through the plans one more time. And the reason that I added this platform, reason I like this platform, now, once again, there are no guarantees, and I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, and only invest in any platform what you're willing and able to lose, and always do your own due diligence. The reason I added this platform to the roster is because I like having platforms that have different varying levels, right? So some of them are high interest, higher profit, some are lower profit or mid-level or lower profits, and I think that gives you diversification because you have everything high. Those tend not to go as long. There are no guarantees, but the lower ones tend to have to go longer, so you have a better chance with those. But anything can happen to any platform at any time. With that being said, let's go ahead and look at the plan. So 1.5% to 3% based upon the trading trading results of that day. That's going to be from $100. And like doing this because that's way I don't have to guess. $100 to $29.99. So that is on that one. And the next one is 3% to 4% per day based on the trading results. And that's going to be from $3,000 to $9,999. And the last one is going to be 4% to 5.5% per day. And that is going to be from $10,000 up. And if you want to be part of Trade Expect, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video, and make sure to watch this next video as I go into a lot more details about Trade Expect. And congratulations about breaking into the top 5.